Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adobe Audition compatible exports for branded videos step by step clearly. To begin, open Adobe Audition on your computer. Navigate to the project where you want to create your branded video. Before exporting, ensure that your audio and video tracks are properly aligned. Next, go to the File menu in the top left corner of the screen. Select Export from the drop-down options. Choose Multitrack Mixdown to export your project as a single audio file. In the Export window, select the location where you want to save your file. Now, choose the desired format for your export. Common options include MP3 and WAV, depending on your needs. For branded videos, WAV is often preferred due to its higher quality. Once you've selected the format, adjust the audio quality settings if necessary. Ensure that the sample rate matches your video specifications for optimal synchronization. After confirming all settings, click the OK button to initiate the export process. Wait for Adobe Audition to finish exporting your file. Once completed, navigate to the location where you saved the file. Open your video editing software of choice next. Import the exported audio file into your video project. Synchronize the audio with your video clips as needed. Finally, review the entire project to ensure the audio and video flow smoothly together. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.